The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a flood warning for the following rivers in Oregon and Washington: Nazelle River near Nazelle affecting Pacific and Wahkiakum counties in southwest Washington, and Trask River near Tillamook affecting Tillamook County in northwest Oregon. Minor flooding is forecast for the Trask River near Tillamook from late tonight to early tomorrow afternoon. Above 6.15 feet, expect minor flooding along the lower Trask River. Dairy farms, buildings, and a few residences adjacent to the Trask in the vicinity of Highway 101 may be threatened. At 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the stage was 13.0 feet, and bank full is at 15.0 feet. The river will rise above flood stage early this evening, then crest near 17.1 feet late tonight before falling below flood stage Tuesday morning. There is 22% chance the river will crest above moderate flood stage. Motorists should not drive into flooded roadways and move to higher ground if flooding occurs.